It's off camera now. It's a little bit tilted.
Towards his. I don't know if you saw the video. I was doing this.
Yeah.
As I landed, I had to turn.
Good job, man.
It takes you to that view.
Oh, so you kind of like.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I've never done it. I just go on the side.
We go.
So awesome.
We go follow him.
Oh, I know my e-bike. I
It's
I don't have an e-bike.
analog, yes.
yours is analog too.
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, I know my e-bike. Oh, I gotta put my gears up.
Dito agaling eh. Oh. Tendency mo. Diretso sa weeds, di ba?
Oo.
Yan o. Ngayon, kung pantay ito, medyo ganon, pwede mong ganon.
Oh man, I don't like that. Good, you Gerald, man. Well, it's kind of coming apart or what?
Yeah.
I guess as long as you don't stop.
Keep rolling over him, huh? Oh.
See how it goes?
Yeah.
It will take, as soon as you go down,
Yeah.
you can go straight
Straight
there.
down into the bushes, yeah, so you
Yeah.
gotta turn. So you
It's
just like,
I'm thinking of, he said people are dropping it without touching this wood.
oh, like jumping it?
Yeah, jumping, yeah.
Holy crap.
I'm thinking of doing that, but
Yeah.
it's a little bit off camera, if you can see.
Yeah.
It pushes too
And you just
towards
gotta
you.
watch out, yeah, get like
Yeah,
a hole
yeah.
over there. Oh.
Not today, I think.
I think I'm going around.
I'll roll right now.
I'll watch you though. I like watch you. See what line you take. Oh, is my bike in the way?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I like go on the side here.
As soon as you go there, let go of the brakes.
Okay.
Too good. Too good. He said let go of the brakes or no let go?
Yeah, let go of the brakes.
Let go of the brakes.
And let you roll down it, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh man. Too good.
Look, this screw came off.
That one.
The sideways?
Yeah, it's the same thing. You're just gonna be a little uncomfortable for like microseconds.
Oh man. Oh. Just not think about it, yeah?
Just don't lean back too much.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get hurt today. That's awesome. I always think about doing it, but I just never do.
If you're going down these things,
Yeah.
you don't lean back so much like this.
A little bit more on top.
Yeah, you feel more right.
Just right on the saddle.
Yeah.
Do you do the ramp at the bottom of Pig Dog too?
Yeah, we did. I think we did it.
You
Right?
jump
Yeah.
that ramp?
Yeah.
Oh! And you guys go across Coquet, you know that jump across the stream?
Oh, that's too big.
Oh, holy smokes.
I did.
You did? I've seen videos of people doing that. I'm not that brave yet.
And the big drop at okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
Woo!
But
Awesome.
one of our friends just strained his own ankle.
Ay, from doing them.
Yeah.
Ay. All right, well,
But-
have a good day. I'm going to go around.
Thank you.
Thanks for showing me, Gerald.
It's not today. Not today.
When I do off, not on the ramp? Okay.
Wanna try it?
The ramp?
Yeah.
No, I can't get hurt. Another day. Maybe another day.
You did the drop?
Timber, masarap eh.
Ha? Oo. Yan! Pump! Woo!
Pero lahat. Thank you, thank you. Sige ko na lahat.
Oh.
Pump lang, ano? Pump.
Oo.
Accelerate ko.
Ang sarap eh. Oo. Dito umpisahan mo lang mag-pump. Kahit dito ang sarap oh. Dito. Pumupunta ako dyan eh.
Sa taas, ano?
Sa taas.
Yeah.
Dito ka oh.
Taas ka, no? Yeah. Ayun, yun.
Oh. Yan. Zoom.
Ayun. Pump, pump, pump.
I-whip mo lang eh.
Yan siya, tawag yun. Tawag yun. Hip jump siya, hip jump.
Eto, gusto kong tirayan to lang minsan oh. Dito na lang oh.
Kaya flat siya, landing
Oo.
flat.
Mamaya, semplang.
Malaki.
Oo.
Sabi pa yung taas.
Ha? Dito ako dumiretso noon. Dito oh.
Oh! Buti, di ka ito ang bato.
Buti may shield ako.
Ah, yung ano eh.
Oh, naka-vest. Otherwise, tusok.
Okay siya, smooth yung landing. Saan na ba ang nag-landing? Mataas na dito.
Oo.
Dito, dito.
Dapat dito. Yan. Yan. Alright. Iba yung landing ko. Doon na.
Apa? Yun. Tingnan mo.
Alright. Si Grandpa lumilipad.
Diba? Sinong 55 gumagawa nun?
Okay.
Ayun.
I-clear natin.
Sige.
Umpisa tayo sa taas.
Dito.
Oh. And then tumitira si Grandpa. Oh, yes. Ay, oh. May ano, ugat. Tanggal. Yun. Huwag ka naman ganyan. Di pa kami tapos eh.
Gusto pang mag-ride.
Nasa kalagitnaan pa lang eh.
Dito eh, patapos na.
Ha? Nasa kalagitnaan pa lang kami eh.
Dito tayo.
Oo.
Tulak ko na lang.
Ako din ah.
7. Yung pahinga nga ako nun. Ano kaya nandun ako?
Huh.
Ito yung namin, Tuesday crew. Tuesday crew, CG. Cedar Grove. Alright.
Okay. Nice.
Yan, tapos na siyahan.
Rock! Dito tayo. Dito. Opya. Yoo! Oops. Yan oh, delikado. Ha? Oo, may drop dito ha. Delikado dyan oh. Tapos dito. Doon pa oh. Release mo. Drop, jump. Woo! Ganda no? Dito yung bato.
Ayun na natin. Dos nga.
Ha?
Dos nga, no?
Oo.
Last time, hindi ganyan eh.
Hindi.
Yung kahoy kanina,
Oo.
parang ganyan lang. Mas matirik pa yan.
Oo.
Yung bottom bracket mo dito, pwede tumama yung chain ring eh. Dun, parang okay pa eh. So, kung nagagawa mo yan, kaya yun.
Yung kahoy?
Kahoy, yeah. Yeah. Mas mahirap pa yan eh. Kasi yung ano niyan, i-ano ko, i-explain ko. So ito, pwede tumama to sa chain ring. Yun, hindi. Sa ato, may gap pa. Yun, diretso lang. Tapos may drop din doon, di ba? Mas mahirap to kaysa doon.
So kaya ko yon.
Yeah. Mas mahirap to kaysa doon. Kung isipin mo. Intimidating lang siya kasi kita mo parang ang tarik pag nasa.
Oo.
Pero pag
Kasi
gumaandar ka na, wala na.
parang blind spot
Blind,
eh.
blind, yeah. Diba? Wait lang. Kaya mo yun. Kung ito kaya mo, wala yun. Kung ako, first time ko dito mag-isa ako, ito iwasan ko yun. Hindi. Yan. Ganun siya, ganun lang siya kadali.
Sige, ibababa ko rito and then i-video kita dyan.
Sige, try.
Dali. So, same set, same riding then. Same riding.
Technical siya.
Oo.
Yeah. Diba? Kasi may drop pa, oh. Ano talagang isipin mo?
Maganda rito yung technical, ay yung drop niya, oh.
Kung kukunin mo, no? Tapos preno. Kaya lang, gusto.
Oo. Kahit dito mo, roll mo rin. Tug. Di ba? Oo. Tug.
Kung mataas to, pwede.
Yung parang dun sa happy ending.
Yeah. Pwede.
Or lagyan din ng mattress dito.
Hindi lang matas kasi maganda na yung maganda na yung berm para i-ride mo. Yeah. Pagtaas minsan may matas. Oh shit, dun ako.
Yeah, kaya ko yun din.
Yeah. Ano? Highline. Pwede siya.
Pwede, no? Doon, etong linya mo, oh.
Diretso.
Tug.
Maganda yan, downhill bike. Kasi mataas siya.
Oo.
Dadaan lang.
Ito, may tendency na sasabit ka dyan, eh.
Yeah.
Kasi, matirik na rito, oh.
Yun nga siguro kung may berm siya. Nasa okay.
Mas maganda paglagyan ng rito, drop board.
Yan.
Ba?
Yeah. Yeah. Yun nga lang, wala nang line yung mga Kailangan may B-line every trail.
Oo.
Diba? May bailout line. Baga. Sa amin, may mga trail din na may mga technical ganyan. Pero may ride around.
Yeah.
Yeah, para sa mga baguhan. Sa mga hindi pa nila kaya.
Mga nangangatong nagaya ko. Etong